And the Underground Railroad wasn't a real railroad with real trains and real tracks. It was a communication system whereby the slaves could escape from slavery by talking in secret code language. I'll show you how they did it. Clap your hands like this. Come on, clap your hands. Here we go. They said, steal away, steal away. Say Underground Railroad. Excellent.
These siblings are surprised with the ride of their lives as they are swept away on a musical journey through time. Experience African rhythms, the blues, jazz, gospel, soul, and hip-hop, plus a few surprises, all in the live musical stage play Lineage, performed by the professional cast of Winceyco actors and musicians. Your audience will laugh, learn, and sing along as they ride the rhythm from the past back to the future. Live shows are available now.
Put history on your school stage. Winceyco.com 973-923-3757.